Hey, what's up, everyone? So, today I wanted to talk about a high protein diet and whether it's going to be good for weight loss. Now, first up, a large percentage of losing weight, well, that involves saying goodbye to many of our favorite calorie rich and sugar laden foods. In fact, before they're even out of our sight, we're expected to replace them with fresh, new, low calorie, low sugar, and nutrient dense food. It is a task that proves it's easier to ghost a person than to ghost McDonald's French fries from our lives. Among many of the foods championed to be the answer to your weight loss, high protein foods have been in the discussion for a while. And like many things related to our health, we are just now finding out what the actual answers are to many of these long-standing debates. Thankfully though, there was a study of the weight loss benefits of a high protein diet versus that of a standard diet. In 6 months, the group who ate a high protein diet, well, they ended up losing more weight than the standard diet, providing the proponents of this diet a small victory, and also a good reason for the rest of us to try the diet out. But studies are distant from us. A way to touch the benefits of a high protein diet is to look at it like this. High protein meals are typically high in protein, right? But they're also relatively low in things like sugars, calories, and carbs. And sugars, calories, and carbs are typically the driving factors for weight gain. Simply lowering one's sugars, calories, and carbs can solve most of the problems of losing weight. Furthermore, our bodies like protein. We prefer it in things like chicken, lentils, steaks, and fish, but we'll take it in bars and shakes too. The reason why is because protein is a building block of our muscles. It boosts our metabolism, aka helps us burn more calories, and even reduces our appetite, all while strengthening our system and preventing age-related muscle deterioration. Now, another study showed that participants who consumed a high protein diet, well, they lost the most weight as well. They also lost the most fat content and could more easily control their calorie intake, showing us that since protein helps satiety, we can actually feel fuller sooner, which helps us ease into a caloric deficit and in turn helps us lose weight. Now, if you do choose to eat protein bars and shakes, be aware that most of them also have high amounts of sugars, carbs, and calories. But there are some good ones out there, you just gotta pay attention. So maybe try boosting your protein intake to help you lose weight. Boost it to about 30+% of your total diet, because based on the data, again, it seems like it can help you lose weight. And I only mentioned a few things that benefit you if you have a high protein diet. So if you're looking for some help, maybe give this a try. Good luck.